Bank reconciliation menu has been added. It is now possible to create a new bank reconciliation report and compare the balance and the transaction details between ERP and the actual bank account. Also, we can now easily create new accounting vouchers for the omitted data or modify incorrect transaction details. Now, go to Accounting 1, Fast Entry, Bank Reconciliation, and click New at the bottom. By setting the slip date, slip start date, and the bank account, system will load all the transaction details of the corresponding account dated in between the start date and the slip date. The ERP book balance indicates the current balance of the ERP of the same date as the slip date of the entered bank account automatically loaded by the system. Also, beginning balance will be automatically loaded if a bank reconciliation of the same bank account dated before the date period exists. Once the data is loaded, view the Unclear tab and compare the withdrawal deposit records and the actual ERP status. View the last balance amount in the actual bank status and enter the same number in the ending statement balance. Now comparing the two informations, select the lines that matches with the actual bank status and click Cleared to include the transactions to the reconciliation report. Total receipt, total payment, cleared balance will all be calculated by the system by the information added in the Cleared tab. If there are transactions that exist in the actual bank status but not in the ERP, click Receipts Journal or Payments Journal and create new accounting vouchers. And for the vouchers having incorrect information, click the date and modify the details. Once you have completed reviewing the data, click Save. In the list, you will be able to see newly created bank reconciliation. By clicking the Print button of each report summary and report details, you may view the bank reconciliation report. The difference between summary and the details is whether to open out all the transaction details in the report or not, so please be referred.